Hello and welcome back, guys. Like I always say, for my new people, subscribe, and for everybody else, always hit that like button. It helps out the YouTube algorithm so much. But I'm gonna be completely honest with you. With this video, we're gonna be talking about 6 things that will mess you up, and I'm gonna be like completely honest with you. So if you're soft, I'm sorry, but this video ain't for you. I'm gonna be honest with you. But if you want to become a better person and have personal growth and see and analyze yourself and say, what can I do to be better? Or what can I do to make myself better and the people around me better, this video is for you. So pretty much, like I said, I have 6 things, and I'm starting with the first one. The first one is ego. Some people have way too high of an ego, and it's not a good thing. For example, people are not gonna want to work with you if you have a high ego. You can't walk in and say, I already know everything, or I'm perfect, you're always the wrong one. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta be able to accept the fact that you're sometimes wrong and you're not perfect and you're human. You know what I mean? Having such a high self confidence is not always a great thing. Although it's good to have confidence, but you got to be humble at the same time, if you know what I mean. It's not easy to work with people who have such a high ego. So that you might want to check yourself out. So that was number 1. So now I'm gonna go to number 2, which is bad friends. I've seen a lot of people, obviously going through high school, who like messed up their life over being with the wrong crowd that set them back. And now they regret it, or they're still in that bad circle and they don't notice it till it's too late, sadly. But always analyze your friend group and like make sure these people have the same mindset as you and want to be better people and want to see success in their life. Because I don't know anybody who wants to fail in life, you know what I mean? That's something you always want to check. And it might be hard to drop a friend that you grew up with since you were, let's say, 10. It's not easy, but if it's for the better, you got to do it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to number 3, which is negative thoughts. A lot of people are scared of failure. A lot of people are scared to try new things out. They're scared to do things they've never done before in general. But in life, you gotta take risk and you gotta do it because you only live once. You know what they say, YOLO. So you gotta do it. Don't let negative thoughts drag you down. If you have negative people around you, you're gonna become negative yourself, like I said. A lot of people go with the what if, like what's gonna happen if I do this? What if I mess up? What if that? You're never gonna know until you do it, so just do it. Just like Nike says, just do it. So that's number 3. So now I'm gonna go to number 4, which is the people's opinions. So many people, like I can't stress it enough, so many people are worried about what, I'm gonna use random examples, what John thinks about what they do when this happens. What Ashley gotta say about you messing up with this. Like, who cares? Like, I forgot what told me, I think it was my roommate. My roommate was like, I take whatever people's opinions are with a grain of salt. And that's like really good advice right there. Stop worrying about what your aunt or uncle's gonna think if you do this, if you do that. Like, who cares? Do you. Do what makes you happy. It's your life, your moves, your decisions. You know what I mean? Do what makes you happy. Don't let somebody's opinion mess up your future or your career or whatever it is you want to do. Don't let that stop you from what you want to do. I don't understand why people care about so much about somebody else's opinion. Like, it's your life. Do what you want to do, and obviously if it's a positive thing, do it. Who cares? That was number 4. So now I'm gonna go to number 5. Is so many people are being like, they go with being with damn, I can't even talk. They go with being materialistic, and being materialistic is not always the smartest idea. Like, why would you pay $300 for a pair of shoes that's just setting you back, or $300 for a belt? Like, you know what I mean? That hurts a lot of people. I've seen that happen right now. A lot of people try to make others happy, and it's not working. Like, it's not gonna work in the long run. It's a temporary happiness. They're just like hiding stuff inside. Like, they might not be happy in the inside, but they want to show they are in the outside by being materialistic. Or it could be just a bad hobby or a bad habit, I mean. So that's something you might want to check that could be messing you up. Again, I'm not perfect, but I'm just giving my advice to anybody who wants to check themselves out and be like, all right, so what do I got to cut off on? What do I got to improve on, etc., etc. I'm not perfect. This is just my advice and tips to you guys, to anybody, and even for myself. I'm not perfect. A lot of people, like I said, materialistic. Like, it could be caring about what type of car you have. You want to have the newest car. You want to be shining out. Like, again, your clothes, your clothesline. Like, honestly, it don't matter. Now I'm gonna go with number 6 now, my last one, which is like unhealthy addictions. That just takes up a lot of your time, a lot of your money, and just slowing you down as a person. There's plenty of addictions everywhere, gambling, drug, all that type of stuff, man. Just hop off of that, get off away, stay away, and stay safe. Do what's better for your health. Start eating healthier, start making healthier decisions, and you're gonna see a massive growth in yourself. Before you guys all go, I want to give all of you guys a special shout out for showing me support and love, liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and just watching the videos in general. Thank all of you guys for supporting me. But make sure to leave ideas, comments, or whatever you think about this video or what you want me to do in the future. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Love y'all. Check you guys out.